Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon H, and we'll continue the series of videos that we've been starting regarding les préfixes et les verbes, and we'll see in this video the verb mettre. Okay, so that's the translation of mettre. Okay, mettre, and so we'll see that when we add few letters in front of mettre, well, in this case, actually, it will change the meaning, the original meaning of this verb. Okay, so the first one will be admettre. Okay, so admettre, and this is the translation in English. Admettre. Then we'll have commettre. Commettre. Then émettre. Émettre. And you get a translation here. Permettre. Permettre. Promettre. Promettre. Remettre. Remettre. Soumettre. Soumettre. Transmettre. Transmettre. And you get a translation right here. And that's it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier. It's waiting for you. You can like me on Facebook, and it's right here. And then the website is waiting for you. www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.